The Big Brother Naija Season 5 edition officially started on Sunday night, and the theme of the new season is lockdown, in agreement with the new situation. 20 housemates will be competing for the grand prize for the next 10 weeks, and it looks like we are in for a lot of fun. Here are the 20 housemates and what we know about them. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.
Ozemena Ozo is the first contestant to grace the Big Brother house, and he came with a lot of grace. The 27-year-old entrepreneur is from Imo State, and he served the first dose of hotness with his height and light skin tone. One of his greatest achievements is working for the UEFA Federation in Europe. Prince. The 24-year-old Prince said that he's royalty. Prince, who is the native of Abia State, is into interior designing, fashion designing, and modeling. He says he's going to be serving some dance moves at Friday night parties, and we can't wait to see him dance. Erica. Erica is a graduate of MET Film School London. She's also an actress and a commercial model. She dislikes attention seekers and people who don't take care of their hygiene. She also said that she's bringing a lot of good vibes to the house. Dorothy. Should I begin from the part where this busty lady started trending on Twitter to the point when she graced the screen? The 24-year-old Dorothy believed that she is the only one who should make you smile. The Lagos base is blessed with a lot of beauty, and she says that she doesn't like proud people. Tolani Baj. Beautiful Tolani Baj is a media personality, and she said that she is a fan of Naira Marley. Guys, we have a Malian in the house. Hooray! Another Lagos base, the 27-year-old said that she's the life of the party and she loves cooking. Nengi or Nenji, whatever. The 22-year-old graduate of University of Port Harcourt is a model turned entrepreneur. Even though her beauty already got viewers talking, she wants people to look beyond her beauty. V. V was born and raised in London. She's a 23-year-old musician based in Lagos. She says she's going into the house to make people laugh and have fun. Lilo. Lilo is a dietitian based in Lagos. She's 23 years old and she doesn't like people being in her business. She's goal-driven and she likes to be in charge. Tricky T. He's a 35-year-old creative artist from Bayelsa State. He considers himself a storyteller and he knows that he will be causing a lot of trouble in the house with his outspokenness. He also wants us to look out for his dance move and he loves food a lot. Lucy. 30 years old Lucy said that she lights up every room she enters. She's an entrepreneur and she said that she's a simple girl who believes in fairy tales. Kidwire. Kidwire is a 27-year-old who hates spiders. He says that his confidence is often mistaken as arrogant. He's a self-employed and from Benue State. He hopes to bring a lot of fun into the house because he loves to party. Neo. The 26-year-old Deltan said that he's bringing a lot of entertainment and good vibe into the house. He's a ride-hailing app driver and he describes himself as smart and fun. Neo does not tolerate bullying and inequality. Praise. 28-year-old Praise is a dance instructor, a father of 2-year-old son and a male erotic dancer. He's the winner of the 2015 K-pop World Festival in South Korea. He's also a fitness trainer. He loves food and hopes to bring fun in the house. What Honey? The 29-year-old single mom is a fashion entrepreneur who owns a parenting blog. She speaks and writes in Swahili perfectly. She's a lover of music and her plan in the house is to bring in all fun and also try to find love. Eric, the final year student of the University of Lagos, is a fitness instructor who lost his virginity at the age of 20. He says he will share a lot of nudity in the house. He's also a fun and fitness enthusiast. Kaisha. Kaisha is a 25-year-old and she hails from Sokoto. She owns a skincare business and describes herself as a hardworking lady who goes along with everyone. She loves to sing and dance. Brighto. 29-year-old Brighto is a seller from Edo State. He says he has been to most states in Nigeria and speaks Igbo, Hausa and Yoruba fluently. He says he's a lover of entertainment and a people's person. Lekon. The 26-year-old graduate of the University of Lagos is a rapper and singer. He's currently signed to Fierce Nation record label. He believes he's a lot of fun and viewers will enjoy his stay in the house. Tochi. Tochi is 28 years old. He is a rapper and real estate agent from Imo State. He is a lover of entertainment and promises to bring a lot of fun and drama to the house. Katrina. Katrina is a single mom of a beautiful daughter, and she's not in the house to look for love, but to promote her brand. She dreams to be famous and owns the biggest fashion brand in the world. She loves to have a lot of money and have fun. Guys, these are all the lists of the housemates in Big Brother Naija Season 5 2020. MultiChoice Nigeria, the organizers of the Big Brother Naija, has announced that the winner of this year's Big BN will walk out a grand prize of 85 million naira. The firm revealed this in a statement on Monday, that's last week Monday. The breakdown of the grand prize for BBN Season 5 includes 30 million naira cash prize, 2-bedroom apartment courtesy Revolution Plus, a top-of-range SUV from Nigerian automaker Innoson, a trip to Dublin courtesy Guinness, home appliances courtesy Scamfrost. Others are trips to Dubai packaged by Travel Better, a year's supply of Indomie noodles, Mochit and Colgate toothpaste, a year's supply of Pepsi, a branded chiller, trip to watch the UEFA Champions League final, and a brand new Oppo mobile smartphone. MultiChoice Nigeria John Ubo said, the 5th season of BB Naija marks a major milestone in the reality TV series. They are making this season significant by not only increasing the winnings, but also implementing other creative and innovative ways to ensure that the show lives onto the premium entertainment, especially during this current pandemic. Meanwhile, the organizers said that they are taking major precautions to keep the housemates safe. Besides the intensive health screening, MultiChoice also plans to frequently disinfect the house in the course of the show. They also said that there will be no live audience in the Sunday Eviction show, and also visiting celebrities and BB Naijas will not be featured in this year. Carefully tested measures have been put in place to ensure minimal contact with outsiders. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these BB Naija contestants is your favorite so far? You know, the program just began. For me personally, I like Laycon. He's a very articulative person. Although he's funny, he makes funny looks. To be honest with you, if you go on Twitter now, he has created a lot of memes on Twitter. He's very funny. Drop your opinion in the comment section about who you prefer the more. I know a lot of guys prefer Dorothy because of her big front, packaging. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.